Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how to use Terraform destroy using a single resource in entire Terraform state, right? So let's just start. Basically, we have already deployed one server using the Terraform, right? This is the server we have already deployed. So we need to deploy only this resource in entire Terraform state file. So first of all, we need to know how many resources we do have in that. So we do have two resources. Okay. So just we need to deploy April or June. April. Okay. We just need to destroy this using the target command. Okay. Just need to enter and let's wait for when it is completed. Then I'll start again. So guys, that is in progress right now. So let's start from this. Right. We have already entered this right command and this is executed, so AWS instance will be destroyed. That is coming here, right? And this is the destroying path 0 chain 0 1 to destroy, right? Web instance is destroying, this is coming. Okay, and destroy is completed, one destroy is completed. Okay, so that is the what resources. Initially it was 2. Let's go for the, let's refresh, because this is created by the, that is terminated. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.